children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to your library class. Students, today in this class, I will narrate you a story from your all-time favorite stories book. Kids, do you know stories play a vital role in the growth and development of us? It is a great way to introduce new words and ideas. It is also useful for teaching more complex ideas such as importance of sharing, the passage of time, etc. Okay kids, in this class I will narrate you the story The Greedy King from your storybook. In this session, first of all, I will tell you the story. Later, we will discuss all the difficult words. After that, I will read the story with you. So, let's proceed. The Greedy King. Once upon a time, there lived a king who was very greedy. He was very wealthy and had a lot of gold, but even then he was never happy. Once an angel asked him his wish, then he said that he wanted to be a rich person. Then an angel said, "Now onwards, whatever you will touch will turn into gold." He touched a carpet, it turned into gold. He touched a fruit, it became gold. He touched his daughter, the daughter also turned into gold. Then he was very worried and he called out the angel and said his daughter turned gold and he realized his mistake. The moral of the story is that we should never be greedy. Now let us discuss the difficult words of the story. Number 1 is Greedy. Greedy. Greedy means wanting a lot more money. Next is Wealthy. Wealthy. Wealthy means with a lot of money. Next is Appeared. Appeared means came into sight. Next is Surprise. Surprise. Surprise means shock. Next is Neighborhood. Neighborhood means near to a place. Next is Kingdom. Kingdom means a country ruled by a king. Next is Boon. Boon means blessing. Next is Began. Began means to start. Next is Hopped. Hopped means jumped. Next is Instantly. Instantly means at once. Next is Weeping. Weeping means crying. Next is Statue. Statue means figure. Next is Begged. Begged means requested. Next is RETURN, return. Return means give back. Next is PROMISED, promised. Promised means to keep words. Now let's start the reading. Open your book, page number 10. The Greedy King. Very, very long ago, there lived a king who was very greedy. Underline word greedy. Greedy means wanting a lot more money. WANTING, wanting. A LOT, lot. MORE, more. MONEY, money. He was very wealthy and had a lot of gold, but even then he was never happy. Underline word wealthy. Wealthy means with a lot of money. WITH, with. A LOT, lot. OF, of. MONEY, money. Day and night he would only think of how he could earn more money. One night he felt very sad. His wish was not being granted. Just then an angel appeared in front of him. Underline word appeared. Appeared means came into sight. CAME, came. INTO, into. SIGHT, sight. He asked the king, "What makes you so sad, O king?" The king looked up in surprise and answered, "O angel from the heaven above, I am very poor." Underline word surprise. Surprise means shock. SHOCK, shock. I have very little gold compared to the neighboring kingdom. Underline word neighboring. Neighboring means near to a place. NEAR, near. To a PLACE, place. Underline word kingdom. Kingdom means a country ruled by a king. A COUNTRY, country. RULED, ruled. By a KING, king. This makes me very sad. Okay kids, in these lines we have read that once there lived a king who was very greedy. He had lot of gold, but even then he was never happy. One night an angel came to him and asked him about his sadness. The king replied that he is very poor and had very little gold. The angel smiled and said, "Dear king, I grant you a boon." Underline word boon. Boon means blessing. BLESSING, blessing. From today, anything that you would touch would turn into gold. The king became very happy. The next morning, he began to touch everything that came his way. Underline word began. Began means to start. TOSTART, start. In just a short time, everything turned into gold. The king was really very happy. A little while later, his daughter came running to him. She hopped into her father's lap but instantly turned into gold. Underlined word hopped. Hopped means jumped. 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 Underlined word instantly. Instantly means at once. At ONCE once. The king cried for help. His daughter would just not move. He called out to the angel again and again, but the angel never came back. The whole night the king kept weeping with his daughter's statue in his lap. Underline word weeping. Weeping means crying. CRYING crying. Underline word statue. Statue means figure. FIGURE figure. Okay kids, in these lines we have read that the angel granted a boon that whatever he would touch would turn into gold. The next morning, everything he touched turned into gold, and the king became happy. But after some time, he touched his daughter, and she also turned into gold. The king cried and called out the angel again. The next night, the angel appeared before the king again. The king fell to his feet. He begged the angel, "Oh, my dear angel, please take your boon back." Underline word begged. Begged means requested. 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 I do not want any gold. Please return my daughter to me. Underlined word return. Return means give back. GIVE give. BACK back. The angel smiled and took the boon back. In an instant, the king's daughter got up and went about jumping with joy. The king thanked the angel many times and promised never to be greedy again. Underline word promised. Promised means to keep words. TO2KEEP keep. WORDS words. Okay kids, in these lines we have read that the angel came back and the king requested the angel to take her boon back. The angel took the boon back. The king thanked the angel and said he would never be greedy again. So children, moral of the story is greed is never healthy, so we should never be greedy. Now let us discuss some cross questions. Question is, why was the king unhappy? Let's check the answer. Answer is, the king was unhappy because he wanted more gold. Okay, now next question is, what boon did the angel give the king? Now let's check the answer. Answer is, the angel gave boon that whatever he will touch will turn into gold. Now the next question is, what made the king very happy the next morning? Let's check the answer. Answer is, The king was very happy the next morning because everything he touched turned into gold. Okay, now next question is, why did the king begin to cry? Now let's check the answer. Answer is, the king began to cry because he turned his daughter into gold. Okay kids, my next question is, what lesson did the king learn? Now let's check the answer. Answer is, the king learned never to be greedy again. Okay kids, I hope you have liked the story very much. Thank you. Have a nice day.